Namaste, 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 namaste. What does namaste means? Hi, Hayden here from YogiBabe.life, and if you are practicing yoga in a studio or online, you probably heard your teacher saying namaste quite a few times. But what namaste actually means? Namaste actually builds from two different words. Namas, te. The meaning of namas is bowing, and the meaning of te is to you. Together is I bow to you. So a namaste is a respectful greeting when giving a namaskar. Namaskar? Huh? What is namaskar? Ooh! Namaskar is a traditional Indian greeting or gesture of respect made by bringing the palms together in front of the face or chest and bowing. Now, after we understood the literal meaning of the word namaste, let's understand its meaning in the yoga practice. When your teacher saying namaste at the end of a yoga class, the hidden meaning is the teacher in me bows to the teacher in you. This interpretation acknowledges that although you came to learn from the teacher has also learned something from sharing the time and knowledge with you. Now my friend, you know the meaning of namaste. Have a wonderful day and always remember to do yoga. It just makes life better. Ciao! Psst, psst. Practicing yoga in the morning totally transformed my life. My sad and gray days filled up with color and joy all around. If you want to feel happy and joyful all day long too, grab my free morning yoga kit and start your day off right. You can find a link to it up in here or in the description of this video.